Hey there, plant lovers, it's your boy Tim from OhioGrowBoyz. I'm all about that green life, especially when it comes to the stickiest icky in the state. But hey, we're not just about growing the good stuff. We're about helping you grow anything and everything, man. Today we're gonna turn trash into treasure, baby. We're talking compost, that magical dirt that makes your plants go boom. And the best part? You can make it yourself with stuff you probably already got lying around. So grab your gardening gloves, fire up a fatty if that's your thing, and let's get composting. Alright, so you're tired of chucking your food scraps and yard waste in the trash? You're starting to feel bad about it, like you're throwing away a small woodland creature every week? I get it, man. That's where our new best friend, the compost bin, comes in. We ain't talking about some fancy pants store-bought contraption. Nope, we're going full DIY today. We're going to transform a simple storage bin into a compost factory. It's easier than convincing your buddy to try that edible that's been sitting in your drawer for months. Trust me on this one. First things first, let's round up the gang. You'll need a plastic storage bin, the bigger the better. Think of it as a mansion for your compost. Then grab your power drill. We're going to give this bin some air holes. Don't want our compost suffocating in there, do we? Next up, you'll need some newspaper. Yeah, I know, old school, right? But trust me, it's compost gold. Finally, gather your brown and green materials. We'll get to those later. Now, let's get drilling. Alright, so I'm outside, drilling holes in my bin, when suddenly I see something move out of the corner of my eye. Turns out it's a little garter snake, just chilling in the grass. Now, some folks might freak out, but not me. I'm a lover, not a fighter, especially when it comes to Mother Nature's creatures. Plus, snakes are actually good for the garden. They keep those pesky rodent populations down. So, if you see a snake in your yard, don't panic. Just give it some space and it'll slither away on its own. And remember, folks, admire from a distance. No need to be all up in a snake's business, you know what I mean? Now, where were we? Ah yes, building the compost lasagna. Start with a layer of newspaper at the bottom of your bin. This helps with drainage. Then, it's all about layering your brown and green materials. Brown materials are like the dry, crunchy stuff. Think dead leaves, twigs, shredded paper. Green materials are the wet, nitrogen-rich goodies like fruit and veggie scraps, grass clippings and coffee grounds. Just like building a delicious lasagna, you want to layer your brown and green materials, aiming for a ratio of about 2:1. This creates the perfect environment for those microscopic compost critters to do their thing and break down all that organic matter. Now here's a little secret to speed up the composting process: hot water. That's right, folks, just like a warm bath relaxes you, hot water gets those compost microbes all fired up and ready to party. Soak your green materials in hot water for about 30 minutes before adding them to the bin. This helps break them down faster and creates a more efficient composting environment. Plus, it makes your compost smell less like, well, garbage. And nobody wants their backyard smelling like a landfill, am I right? Once you've layered your bin with all the good stuff, give it a good mix with a shovel or your hands. Make sure to wear gloves. Then put a lid on it and let those compost critters work their magic. You'll want to turn the pile every week or so to keep things aerated and prevent any funky smells. After a few weeks, you'll start to see the magic happen. Your compost will shrink down as the materials break down and you'll be left with this amazing, nutrient-rich soil amendment. It's like black gold for your plants, man. And there you have it, folks. Composting is easy, fun, and good for the environment. Plus, it saves you money on fertilizer and helps reduce waste. It's a win-win-win situation. So what are you waiting for? Grab a bin and get composting. And don't forget to subscribe to OhioGrowBoyz for more awesome gardening tips, tricks, and hilarious adventures. We're all about spreading the love for plants, one compost bin at a time. Peace out, plant lovers, and remember, keep it green, keep it growing, and keep it real. Catch you on the flip side.